Roti Rolling Machine installation. The Selco office in Hubli receives a request from an end user for a solar-powered Roti Rolling Machine installation. The sales executive visits the end user and they discuss about the solar-powered Roti Rolling Machine system. He explains the benefits of the machine and inquires about the number of rotis to be made and the estimated hours of usage. He does the site survey to find a shadow-free location to place the panel and a dry and ventilated place to keep the batteries. He also checks for the wiring layout. The end user then discusses with the neighbors who will also be the partners in purchasing the solar-powered roti rolling system. They also discuss about the market for the rotis. The sales executive confirms the order and takes signature on the order acknowledgement form. He arrives at the branch office and discusses with the branch manager about the requirement of the end user and submits the order acknowledgement form. The branch manager approves and gives the order acknowledgement form to the office administrator and briefs him to generate the inter-branch memo. The office administrator raises the inter-branch memo and goods receipt note and generates a delivery challan which includes the material list and the tax and service invoice. He calls the end user and confirms the availability, date and time for installation. He checks the material received from the godown as per the inter-branch memo. He gets the approval and the signature of the branch manager on the delivery challan. The branch manager briefs the technician about the order and tells him to get the material ready from the godown. The technician gets ready to go to the site by taking all components listed in the delivery challan from the branch godown, loads it into the pickup truck carefully and packs all the safety kit and tools required for the installation. He greets the end user and takes the signature of the end user on the delivery challan confirming the delivery of materials. After that, he unloads the materials with the help of the assistant and carries it inside the house. He prepares the components for installation. Roti rolling system components. Panel 24 volt 120 watt. 2 batteries 12 volt 80 ampere each connected in series. Hybrid solar charge controller 24 volt 10 ampere PWM smart charger with 24 volt 4.5 ampere AC charger. Luminary 5 watt. Motor 150 watt 24 volt. Always wear a safety jacket, helmet and gloves before starting the installation. Enter the serial number of the panel and the battery for warranty. The panel and module mounting structure is temporarily attached for marking the distance between the stands on the roof. Check the radiation using a compass and adjust the module mounting structure facing towards the south direction with appropriate inclination as per the region for maximum radiation. Mark the outline of the module mounting system on the floor. Place the bricks along the marked area for cementing. Add the concrete mixture at the base of the stand. Leave the concrete to dry for 1 day to avoid cracks and fix the solar panel on the module mounting surface after the cement dries. Now, fix the module mounting structure and panel on the stand using a spanner. After fixing the panel, start the wiring of the panel. After the panel is wired, the wire is taken from the panel for internal wiring. Now connect the battery wires and then scratch off the metal part of the terminal for better connection. Connect the two 80 ampere 12 volt batteries in series using a spanner. Mark the points for the luminary attachment and drill a hole for the brackets. All the positive wires are insulated using an insulation tape to avoid short circuit. Module to charge controller wire is 6 square mm. Battery to charge controller wire is 10 square mm. Load to charge controller wire is 2.5 square mm. Load to switch wire is 2.5 square mm. Mark the place for attaching the hybrid solar charge controller and drill a hole. Strip the wire using a wire stripper and attach the lugs using a wire crimper. Once that is done, connect the hybrid solar charge controller. Now, connect the battery to charge controller. Then, connect the load to the charge controller. And then, connect the panel to charge controller. Mark the place for placing the switch for luminary and the roti rolling machine. Strip a 10 square mm wire and connect it to the metal part of the machine for earthing. The setup is complete. The technician explains the indicators on the charge regulator and the do's and don'ts to the end user. He also explains maintenance and safety measures to be taken while using the machine. He takes the signature of the end user on the installation completion statement and warranty card. After that, he hands over the warranty card and leaves. First, boil the water and keep it ready. Mix the jowar flour with hot water to prepare the dough. The Selco trainer explains the steps to make the roti to the end user. Place a small amount of dough on the flattening plate and press the handle. Place it in between two plastic sheets and switch on the machine. Place the dough on the pan and slowly apply pressure on the foot press. The roti rolling is in process. Take out the roti from the plastic sheet carefully. The roti is now ready for frying. Thank you.